Hello there. Are you ready to power up your quantitative skills? I'm Shoma Chakraborty, founder and academic head at Mathority. Welcome to Quant Power Up, a dynamic QA problem solving playlist. Here's what to expect from this playlist. First of all, starting from tomorrow, we'll upload QA questions daily. Our focus will be primarily to unravel the structure of solving any type of QA questions. Join us on this incredible learning journey. Let's first focus on the structure. Before we explore the structure, let's understand why this approach is crucial. In aptitude-based tests, a high percentile doesn't demand solving every question. The key is smart decision-making and selecting the right questions. By doing so, you can maximize your output. Now, let's dive into how this structure empowers you to excel in any kind of test taking. With the target of developing our test taking skills, let's briefly touch upon three vital steps of QA problem solving. Step one is comprehension. Grasping the question accurately is the initial crucial step essential for saving time and ensuring accuracy. The second step is the process. Construct a mental map connecting the information to the desired outcome, forming the problem solving process. So whatever is the objective of the question, how does the information provided connect to the objective of the process? The third and the final step, let's call it calculation, which is basically bridging the gap between the problem and its final answer by plugging in the values and reaching the answer that is required. In objective-based papers, the answer is everything. No marks are individually awarded for comprehension or any other step that I talk about. But mistakes in any stage can lead to incorrect answers. So each of these steps is essentially crucial. Don't overlook the basics. They're the foundations to your learning. Recognize your comfort zones during preparation. Understanding your strengths is also crucial. This awareness guides strategies like paper scanning, a very vital test-taking skill. At Mathority, we equip you with tools, guidelines, and personalized guidance to track your comfort zones and master test-taking strategies. Identifying and leveraging your strengths are key to success in these exams. Success is our hallmark for Mathority students. More than 25% of our students have secured top spots in premier B schools of India, a testament to our effective methods. Moreover, we maintain an impressive more than 88% satisfaction rate, which reflects the significant growth achieved by our students during their preparation journey. Because of the three simple steps that we will be emphasizing on today, QA problem solving becomes engaging and enjoyable and also simple. This effective structure underpins our success at Mathority. We apply this approach to every question in this playlist, including the example that we will discuss in this video taken from an actual CAT paper. In this example, we'll break it down into the three steps explicitly to illustrate their roles. So first part, comprehension. A mixture contains lemon juice and sugar syrup in equal proportion. Obviously, equal proportion means equal volume or equal weight or something like that. If a new mixture is created by adding this mixture, so the original one, and the sugar syrup in a certain ratio, then the ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup in the new mixture is. So what are the things that I know? I know there's an original mixture of lemon juice and sugar syrup in a certain proportion. Obviously, I can see that it's equal proportion. Now, this mixture is added to pure sugar syrup in a certain ratio. We are looking for the final ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup. So once I have understood this, to me, the information is from here to here. And the objective is whatever we are looking for, the final ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup. So immediately in my mind, I know that all that is relevant is the proportionality of it. And in a question where all that matters is proportionality, the actual values do not matter. So what I can do is I can take some values which satisfies these proportions, whichever is provided. As long as I don't break that, I maintain that validity, I will arrive at the correct answer. So let's look at the calculation. So we have initially a mixture of lemon juice and sugar syrup, which are equal in proportion. So I'll take, let's say, 1 liter and 1 liter of these two. Now, in the new mixture, I am adding this mixture, so this entirety, to sugar syrup in the ratio 1:3. Now, I've assumed these to be 1 liter and 1 liter, making this entire thing as 2 liters. And if I have to mix these two in the ratio 1:3, then corresponding to 2 liters, I should have 6 liters of sugar syrup. So all I'm doing is I'm adding 6 liters to this particular solution. So in the final one, I should have a total of 7 liters of sugar syrup and 1 liter of lemon juice. And that is precisely what we are looking for. The ratio of lemon juice and sugar syrup, which should be 1:7. It's as simple as that. So whenever we are solving a problem, there are 3 steps: comprehension, not only reading it properly, but understanding what information are there and what is the objective, getting the right approach, depending on the question, depending on the objective, and finally calculating it appropriately. So going forward, consciously practice these steps in every QA problem. In a certain question, comprehension could be effortless due to the direct information that is presented. In some other problem, the first 2 steps, that is comprehension and process, might happen simultaneously due to maybe familiarity or your comfortability with the topic. However, breaking down the process into steps will also help you identify areas for improvement. Was it a miscomprehension, an incorrect approach, or a calculation error that led to a mistake or your inability to solve a particular problem? In the preparation, identifying and learning from these mistakes is crucial for your growth. So having a structure alongside the identification method is more beneficial, right? And that concludes our video for today. We have plenty of exciting questions lined up in this playlist, which will be uploaded daily to our channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated and never miss out on any valuable content. More than 300 questions will be discussed in this playlist, recommended for all aptitude test aspirants, strongly recommended for serious CAT aspirants. For your convenience, a direct link to the playlist will be provided in the video description. Feel free to bookmark it for future reference. This is Shomo Chakraborty from Mathoratory signing off, wishing you a fantastic preparation journey ahead. Thank you and the best of luck.